Welcome to Eisenstadt, where Joseph Haydn composed many of his most beautiful works. Like his compositions, many of the old buildings in this city exude classical elegance and charm. Many of them, including this one, are now listed buildings. Working in these stylish office spaces is certainly a pleasure, if it weren't for the high heating costs. For over 50 years, this building relied on oil for heating, making it clear that a sustainable solution was long overdue. The office team at this Eisenstadt advertising agency couldn't afford to stop working for an extended period during the renovation. Additionally, the listed Building Protection Office mandated that the original oak parquet flooring from the 1920s remain untouched. A unanimous decision was made. The solution would have to be quick, efficient, and add value to the entire building. The choice was the Variotherm wall module for heating and cooling. Working with a specialist installation team and experienced drywall experts, the entire project was completed in just 10 days. The Variotherm wall module system offers both heating and cooling in a single package and can be installed without major construction. This system integrates seamlessly into the existing structure, attaching directly to standard metal or timber frames, just like traditional drywall. The installation of the heating distribution manifold, along with a connection to the new air-sourced heat pump, was also completed within the 10-day period. Thanks to its low profile and flexible installation, the new system blends invisibly into all rooms. The only space where no free wall area was available was the meeting room. Here, a modular ceiling system was used to ensure the room remains consistently comfortable during all discussions and meetings. For spaces where walls are adorned with pictures, Variotherm offers two reliable methods for locating the integrated pipes. Using the Variotherm pipe locator or a special thermal foil, the pipes can be easily identified, ensuring flawless functionality and minimal disruption. Now, whether at home or in the office, the Variotherm module wall provides comfortable radiant heating and cooling for all spaces, including the office's toilet areas, photo studio, and kitchen. Whether it's a new installation or a sustainable renovation, Variotherm delivers cool wall heating, cooling, and comfort. Underfloor Heating One is a preferred partner for Variotherm in the UK. Established in 2007, we bring years of experience in designing and installing radiant heating and cooling systems. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, our expert team is here to guide you through every step of the design process. Ready to get started? Contact Underfloor Heating One today for free expert advice and let us help you design the perfect heating system for your project. Call or email us using the details above or in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe.